Brad Bisnet from Cole Publishing with Mike from Vac-Con. Mike, here comes the boom. What do we have here with the boom elbow kit?
So what we have here is our Vac-Con elbow. It is a special elbow in that it is tungsten-infused carbide reinforced.
Okay.
Traditionally a very high wear item when you go from vertical to horizontal.
All right.
So what the tungsten-infused carbide does is it just adds about a 1/4 inch worth of thickness to the elbow itself and reduces the wear. We have an example of one that's been used in the field. It has over 1,800 hours of use. When you look down through the elbow, that you'll see virtually no wear.
Okay.
It's an excellent option. We also have not only the elbow, but we also have the back end reducer. Warranties are available with this.
All right, and you have these in stock ready to go, I'm assuming as an aftermarket option or an upgrade to a new purchase?
That's absolutely correct. We do have these in stock, ready to go. We can put them on a new unit build, or we can do them as a retrofit option for existing equipment.
Fantastic. Patent pending, I think, also, right?
It is patent pending.
Fantastic. Where can somebody go for more information?
www.vacon.com.
Fantastic. Thanks, Mike.
Thanks.